What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be making the world record paper airplane. First step is to fold a square. Be sure to do it on both sides and make hard creases. Now fold one of the corners. The other corner with the crease that you made there. At this intersection, fold it over. As you can see, there's two creases from an earlier step, and you just line those up on each side, like that. Now fold it in along this crease, and do it on both sides. Now take the bottom bit and fold it up, just so the line is right in the middle of the intersection. Now fold it in half. When you fold it in half, make sure that the back corners and the front corners are lined up perfectly, and the middle corners doesn't matter as much. When you fold it over to make the wings, you'll see small triangles that form. Now pull it back just to cover. Then make a crease along the top. Do the same thing for the other side. So your plane doesn't roll, push up the wings slightly. And to keep lift, make fins, but don't make creases. Now you're ready to fly. Before each flight, make sure to pop up the wings, and if your plane is diving, just pull up the fins a bit more. If your plane does a nosedive and the tip gets squished, just sort of use your fingers to straighten it back out, and then it'll be good as new, sort of. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be posting a video with trick shots and bloopers soon, so stay tuned for that.